This has to be one of my top brushes right here. When it comes to 360 wave brushes, you know, I don't really use a soft brush like that. I only use a soft brush to lay down my hair, or if I just got a fresh cut. That's like the only times I really use a soft brush. The main brushes I just use are mediums and hard brushes. That's what I use the most on my hair. Soft brushes don't really do nothing for me. Or if you have thick hair, like, you'll understand where I'm coming from about using soft brushes. Like, I only use it to lay down my hair. I don't use a soft brush when I'm trying to get waves. When I want my pattern to connect, I don't go straight to a soft brush. No, I don't use soft brushes when I'm trying to get my pattern connected, trying to get my wave deep. I only use it when my hair is low. I could use a hard brush on any cut, to be honest. Like, I even said that, like, I use hard brushes on low cuts, medium cuts, wolfing, feel me, whatever cut. If I'm trying to get my waves connected fast, deep, that hard brush stay on me. But if I'm just chilling, you know, just took the do-rag off, got a fresh cut, I'm using a medium or a soft brush, alright, when it comes to that. Some top brushes that I use consistently, daily, feel me, I don't really gotta think about it. I just pick up these brushes and just go straight to it, you know. The first brush I use, feel me, I'm just saying like my top 3 brushes are. Number 1 has to be my Diane 818 right here, and this is a medium firm brush. This has to be one of my top brushes. I use this brush on any cut. I use this brush on low cut, fresh cut, wolfing, whatever. Feel me? This brush hits my scalp, and it does the job, lays my hair down. Feel me? I use this brush, then I use a soft, feel me, to lay my hair down, and I do rag. For me, I like brushes that just do the job. Alright, I don't really gotta pick up another brush to, you know, finish it off. You know, I could just use this brush right here, then either use a soft brush than plastic bag. Or this brush does the job. You trying to get your waves connected, make sure you check this brush out right here, Diane 8118. But when I say it does the job for me, it hits my scalp without me applying a lot of pressure. It's like medium brushes that don't really like hit your scalp when your hair is thick, you know what I'm saying? So you have to put a little more work into it to make that brush, you know, pull your hair. That's what I'm saying. This brush does the job for me. It hits my scalp, so I don't have to, you know, be applying so much force. Like, yo, like, you feel me? Brush does the job. All right, next brush, my smooth style wave curve brush. All right, it's a curve brush for me. This is another medium brush that has good pull. This brush is firm. You see the curve, man. If you have a 360/540 pattern, I recommend these curved brushes. This brush is really gonna help you perfect your swirl. Alright. Y'all see the tip? That's what y'all wanna use. Use that to attack your crown. But the next brush that I use a lot, my Torino Pro medium hard. I can't find it. It's gonna be a clip here of me using my Torino Pro medium hard. I could use that brush on any cut because it's a medium hard. You know, that brush is a heavy duty brush. For anybody that, you know, has a Torino Pro, you know, and it's like a hard brush, the pull on those brushes are really good. So these are like the 3 main brushes that I use, you know, since I scalp my hair. You know, for your thing about getting some brushes that have good pull, look at these brushes that I've shown right now. So all these brushes just have that pull that I need. I'm a medium brush, hard brush type of guy. Mostly hard brushes You know, when it comes to like really getting my pattern fast, you know, I'm on the hard brushes. I'm on the hard brush. Like, I just gotta make sure I have a hard brush with me, because if you have thick hair, you understand where I'm coming from, you feel me?